how to fix Valorant Vanguard crashed easy and quick. If you want to fix it, first just type here run and click on it. Now just go to services.msc and click OK. Scroll down until you find here VGC. Now just click on it and click restart. And now after that all you need to do just close it. Right click here, task manager, then go to details and go to startup and scroll down. Here we'll find Vanguard. Make sure it's enabled. If you find it like that, if you find here disable it, just make it enabled. And now restart your PC, and that's it. I hope that can help you, and see you in the next video.